fellow data protection and privacy colleagues from around the world, our office is delighted to have won the People's Choice Award. The caliber of entries in the GPA Awards is always first class. Invariably, we look to the initiatives of other authorities as a source of inspiration. It is exceptional for our work to have been recognised with this award, and I would like to express our sincere gratitude to fellow GPA colleagues for their support and votes. As a small authority that is able to participate and contribute to the GPA's work, I strongly believe this award is also a symbol of the GPA's success as a platform for international cooperation that is truly inclusive. Our authority firmly believes that education and awareness plays a fundamental role in the improvement of privacy and data protection as it empowers individuals and society. With the empowerment of individuals in mind, and Mexico as the host of this year's conference, I would like to make reference to a phrase of the Mexican writer Justo Sierra, who claimed, "Educar es fortificar, to educate is to strengthen."
Our Teens Control Your Privacy campaign raises awareness about data protection law and privacy by combining traditional and modern outreach methods to target key sectors of our community.
We deliver presentations to all Gibraltar school students between the ages of 11 and 16 years. These hour-long presentations are highly interactive and conclude with a question and answer session. Students are also asked to complete a survey, the results of which are presented in our annual Privacy Awareness School Survey Report. The educational resources developed by the GRA complement this initiative and include lesson plans based on the international framework developed and adopted by the GPA. Our work with adults takes a broader approach, using multiple communication and engagement methods. In-person events target the general public and provide for qualitative and symbolic connection with the community, whilst ongoing cooperation with key stakeholders promotes a collective voice and action. Noting an increase in social media activity, our campaign also includes the provision of guidance and the sharing of creative content online using awareness-raising audiovisuals.
Having our work recognised at an international level is an achievement of great value. It is both encouraging and humbling to learn that, through the voting process, fellow GPA colleagues around the globe have expressed their appreciation for our ongoing awareness-raising efforts. I am extremely proud of our team, and the award is a great testament to their commitment and efforts. Additionally, with this award comes added motivation to continue in our initiatives and build upon them. I relay our most sincere gratitude to all involved in the awards process and to those who voted. May this year's challenges and efforts be a springboard to an ever more productive and successful year ahead for the GPA and its members. On behalf of the Gibraltar Regulatory Authority, thank you.